Hello, in this video, I'll teach you how to get Loungekey Airport Lounge access using MCO Visa Card. Step 1. Activate your MCO card once it arrives using Crypto.com application. Step 2. Activate Loungekey by completing the online registration via link below. Check video description for the Loungekey link. Now let me show you how to register. This is how Loungekey website looks like. Click on Create Your Account. After that, it will ask to verify your MCO Visa Card. Input the necessary information. Enter your personal details. Once you're done, you'll receive email confirmation. Step 3. Enable international usage. Under Card, go to Card icon in the upper right-hand corner and Card Settings. Log into your Crypto.com app. Click Card on the lower right corner. Turn on international usage. Step 4. Have enough balance on the MCO card to cover the card validation transaction. Step 5. Present your MCO Visa card upon arrival to the lounge. And that's it, you're ready to go. Let's check lounges available on Loungekey.com. That's all for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell for more updates.